Hi guys! Today's the 8th. I spent all of yesterday and the day before yesterday editing Vlogmas number 6. Vlogmas. I'm just spending all of my time on there. But it's kind of fun. Like, kind of. Well, after 13 hours on a single video, it's also pretty annoying, but whatever. I have exams today. 2 exams, English translation. So wish me luck! I just got back from my exams. I think it went well. I have about an hour in my flat that I'm going to use to edit videos for a change, and then I'm going to take the train back home to my parents' place, which means for you guys more pretty footage of snowy things. I'm alone in a station. Why do I always end up alone in a station? I feel like that's been my life for like 2 days. I got kicked out of the station because it was so late. I'm that kind of loser. I just finished editing Vlogmas number 7 and I'm so fucking proud of it. So I hope you liked it. If you saw it, if you haven't, just go take a look at my channel. Because this is my best video ever. I know I haven't been making videos for long, but so far it's my best.